All right, people. Nice. We're gonna go to Avalanche Lake today. It's a 6-mile hike. It's out and back. I don't know if that means it's 3 there and 3 back or 6 there and 6 back. Very different result if it's the latter, but that's okay. Like I said, we're in Glacier now. It's been cloudy like this and rainy. I got in last night, so it's been cloudy and rainy since then. So I haven't gotten a chance to see like the skyline of the mountains and stuff, but I'm excited to see it. All the rocks, I don't know if you could tell, but all the rocks are like, they're like rainbow colored. They're like red. And yeah, the water's very crisp. I think that's kind of what Glacier's whole thing is like very crystal blue water, which is really cool. And I don't know, I did like a lot of research on this park to figure out the best hikes and stuff. And I don't remember what this one was. I did all this research, I don't remember. But Avalanche Lake, I think, was one of the top priorities. So we got up a little bit early to get here. And it's already full. I had to park a mile away from the trailhead just because the parking lot was so crazy busy. Yeah, this river is really nice. Neat. So yeah, we're gonna walk a mile and then start hiking. We're gonna see how it goes. It'll be good. Yeah, dude, just look at the watercolor, man. That bridge would be a bad idea. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do it. All right, just made it. That's the street right there. But this is immediately one of the coolest hikes. Just trees everywhere, man. I think it becomes, obviously it's not gonna be all boardwalk the whole time, but very neat to see. So these are western red cedars. This trail is called like the Cedar Trail, but it leads to the Avalanche Lake. But I mean, it's just so cool to look down and see, like, just even the floor, the amount of ecosystems in this small little place. I mean, they got ferns, they have little streams of water, and these guys are massive. Like, I don't know if that kind of tell you how big these guys are, but taking it all in, man. Look at the root system of this tree. It's huge. Very cool. Look at the color of the rocks, too. Okay, Trail of the Cedars has ended. Let us begin. Got some cool stairs to go up. Let's do it. Look at all that water, man. It's really flowing. Yeah, man, look at the rocks, dude. Different colors. Very cool. Beautiful path. path that winds up and around the rocks, up and around the trees. It's good. Okay, so the route or the trail just kind of opened up. Can't even see the top of this mountain with the clouds. Even this one's still kind of misty. What a great day it is for this. The sun's starting to peek out a little bit too. There's a blue sky. Oh yeah. Layers upon layers, man. This thing's huge. Dude, it all looks the same, man. Like, imagine getting lost in here. If the trail wasn't here, you'd be pretty screwed. Got some bushes now we gotta walk through. The lake should be right above. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells like Christmas. You know the smell of like pine trees and happiness and joy and, you know, just straight up magicalness. You know that smell? That's what it smells like right now, man. Beautiful. I mean, this is pretty beautiful, huh? The sun came out. Beautiful. All those are like little waterfalls. So cool. I think this is the best view I've ever had while eating lunch. Okay, so that's over there where we started. They have like a little trail. It has a real trail over there, but this is more fun. Still unreal. Okay, we're moving more and more. This way. I think there's, a little lake, not a lake, but a little beach over here. This is small. Yeah. There's an ant on me. Hey, buddy. How'd you get here? Wow, you're strong, huh? All right, we're at the other side of the lake. Way over there is where we were. Now the clouds are back covering that up, but we're gonna try to cross this log here. Could very well might go very, very bad, but if we get wet, we get wet, you know what I mean? It's fine, it's fine. All right, we did it. All right, let's freaking explore, man. Perks of having the right shoes. You could just walk in the stream, not have to worry about getting feet wet. Like, we're pretty deep in there, but good. All right, we made it to another little beach thing over here. We're at the opposite side of the lake, way over there, people. This is cool, man. I love the color of the water. It's so nice. It's just cutting through the rocks here. It gets pretty deep. It just comes from the glaciers up above, I guess. Yeah. Not bad. Pro tip for you guys. If you're eating on the trail and you don't get at least 10% dirt in your mouth for every bite you have, you're doing something wrong, right? Let me see. Yeah. Wow. Think of it this way. Your immune system was meant to be tested, right? Test it. How else are you going to build immunity to those diseases? You know what I mean? Rocks are edible if you just decide they are, you know? Heck yeah, man. Sun's back out. Water is so blue. There's a deer coming over here. I unfortunately don't have any food, but I don't think we're supposed to feed the wildlife, so it's okay. She's just curious. Oh. Bro, not in the water. Ew. Oh, man. You just did that in front of me and now you're walking off? Come on, bro. Thanks for the show, man. Also, I can't get over how satisfying it is walking through like these rocks with just a little water streaming through it. I don't know, man. Aesthetic, it just feels good. We gotta cross all the way back. Dudes, this water is like so clean. I know the deer just peed in it. I'll put that clip up, but yeah. Insane. Made it to a secret place. I think I'm gonna try to go up there. This is like the little river I had to cross to get up over there. And it goes for like, I don't know, probably a good 50 feet of just in the branches and stuff. I had to step on like the dead ones you see, like over here. That's how I got across. So, pretty cool. All right, I had to cross a little river. That's the lake way over there. All right. Okay, that's an animal right there. Just vibing. Hey, Bubba. You're territorial, aren't you? You don't like that I'm here. It's all good, bro. Okay, I made it. Not all the way up, but this is as high as I want to go. It gets kind of sketchy from here on out. But what a great view. All right, dudes, I think that's gonna conclude this hike. Pretty neat. We're at the tippity top of the top. Not the top. That looks a little scary. We're not doing that. But we have a pretty good view here, so time to head back, sleep, and then do it again tomorrow. Okay, gonna do like a quick little review of the trail. That was the Avalanche Lake trail. I did like the upper part. You could stop when you get to the lake, or you could keep going a little bit on the right hand side, and that's what I did. I did a little of both. I stopped at the lake, got back on the trail, got in the lake, trail, lake, and then I went past. It said that's where the trail ends, but there's a little path going. So I followed that, and that's how I ended up on top of the mountain. This was the best hike I've ever done. I like that the path was easy to navigate. Like, you're gonna have to try really hard to wander off the path here and get lost. So I like that. I like that it was populated. I don't know if that's something that people typically like, but this one was, I saw people in and out all day, and there's people at the lake right now. So you're never gonna be truly alone. So if you're gonna go, solo hiking, this is a great one because you still get the alone atmosphere. Right? But you're not completely, dead if you twist your ankle or something, But like I said, the trail was good. Lake was beautiful. The view was beautiful, even on a cloudy day. Sun opened up, saw everything. Even now, the sun's out. And, the lake is as blue as I've ever seen a lake be. So, 10 out of 10 trail, dude. I'm excited. If you guys enjoy this type of, content, whatever it is, whatever you want to call it, make sure you follow along, because I'm going to be trying to do a lot more of this stuff as I go. This was a lot of fun. I have 12 more hikes planned. That's 12 more days, and we'll see. I guess we'll see how much I record there. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Oh.